In today's video, we're talking about sliding doors. If you're tired of fighting your pole barn sliding doors, especially in bad weather, you're not alone. That's why building owners are making the switch to the EasyMotion Sliding Door by FBI Buildings, a system engineered for durability, ease of use, and long-term performance. Here's what most people don't know. Standard sliding doors are a magnet for problems. Ice buildup, rodent infestation, and constant friction. But the EasyMotion Sliding Door? It eliminates all that with its patent features you won't find anywhere else. Before we dive into the features and benefits, be sure to check the description and download our free EasyMotion Sliding Door Guide and learn how to choose the right sliding door upgrade for your post frame building. So what are the benefits? So first, the PosiGuide Track System. Designed to glide over gravel, ice, and debris with a self-cleaning roller that never needs oiling. Second, the StepSaver Latch system. Unlock and open your sliding door from either side without running laps around your pole barn. Just turn the handle and pull. Third, increased door strength. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame interlocks from the top to bottom, resisting high winds with less wear on your hardware. And finally, choose from 3 center door guide options tailored to your barn's foundation. Whether it's wood center door stub, concrete center door stub, concrete apron approach. If you're ready for a better barn door, one that performs year-round with less hassle, the EasyMotion Sliding Door is your solution. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more post-frame content. Have a question or a project in mind? Drop it in the comment section below. Until next time, build with confidence.